Hello guys, welcome back to Tanuja's Box.
So let's see how to make this
Cute little miniature guitar.
But before starting the video, guys, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notifications.
I have drawn a guitar pattern over here. I am using this quite thick and strong cardboard sheets as a base of my guitar. Place the paper cutout on the cardboard sheet and draw the outline. Cut the guitar pattern from the cardboard sheet using a scissors. Trace the circle and cut it using a craft knife. Take a 3 cm wide of cardboard strip and attach it to the body of guitar using white glue. Attach another strip of cardboard using the same method. After it dries out completely, cut off the extras. Take a bowl and add 2 spoons of wallputty. Add 1½ spoon of white glue and a little amount of water to it and mix them properly. Apply the mixture to the base of the cardboard guitar and let it dry. After it dries out completely, it is looking something like this. Now I am trying to smooth it out using a sandpaper. It's looking something like this after using the sandpaper. Now let's move to the neck part of the guitar. sorry, the audio file got deleted, but I will provide all the details in the description box, so please do check there. But the miniature guitar is completely ready now. Isn't it looking real cute and beautiful? So use it as a showpiece or gift it to your dear ones.
So guys, I'm done here. If you really like today's video, then turn the black thumb into blue. Comment down below what you like about it. Share and do not forget to subscribe. Okay, bye bye. Meet you on next Friday.